So, good morning students. Today we are going to start a new lesson number 7. Okay. So, if you are going to open your page 57. Okay. So, here we are going to see the translation of this passage. See, it's about Paris. Let us go to Paris. So, the topic of this lesson is let us go to Paris. So, they are going to visit Paris. Okay, so I am going to learn and teach you this paragraph in French. Then I am going to translate in English. Allons à Paris. Venez, allons à Paris en France. Paris, la ville lumière, est la capitale de la France. C'est une belle ville située sur la Seine. Le fleuve Seine divise la ville en deux parties. La rive droite au nord et la rive gauche au sud. Paris est une ville très ancienne. Elle a 20 arrondissements. C'est le centre économique, culturel, industriel et commercial de la France. Elle a de beaux musées, théâtres, monuments et avenues. Beaucoup de touristes visitent Paris. On peut visiter Paris en taxi, en bus, en bateau-mouche ou en métro. Le métro parisien est très commode. Okay, so this is a passage about Paris. So I hope you know Paris. What Paris? So Paris is the capital of France. Okay. Venez, let us go to Paris in France. Paris, the city of lights, okay, is the capital of France. It's a beautiful city situated in the river La Seine. So La Seine is a big river in France. Okay, it divides the city of Paris into two parts. Okay, so I am going to tell you which are the parts. La rive, le fleuve La Seine divise la ville en deux parties. So le fleuve, the river Seine divides the city of Paris into two parts. Okay, la rive droite au nord. So if you have a river in the center of France, so you have the north side and the south side. Okay, so we can see also in the pictures and all, we have the Eiffel Tower. So Eiffel Tower, in between the Eiffel Tower, we have the river Seine. Okay, so la rive droite au nord. So the north side is the river north. La rive gauche au sud. Okay, Paris est une ville très ancienne. It's a old city. Okay, elle a 20 arrondissements. It has 20 administrative subdivisions. So I have given you the meaning of this words. Arrondissement means administrative subdivision. Okay, so it has 20 arrondissements. So in our country also we have many districts. Okay, so there also they have many small places that are called administrative subdivisions. Okay, elle a 20 arrondissements. C'est le centre économique, culturel, industriel et commercial. It is a big city which is known for its economical, industrial and cultural and commercial of France. Okay, it is well known for its economic, okay, cultural, industrial and commercial. So, elle a de beaux musées. So, there are beautiful museums theaters. Okay, theatre means not theaters but in English, but we are telling in English theaters, but the space it is we are big auditorium. Okay, so theatre. So where we have magic shows, puppet shows, everything. Okay, so it's a big auditorium. So that we are calling theatre in French. Monument, okay, monuments, and avenue, big avenues, big roads, okay. Beaucoup de touristes visitent Paris. So lots of tourists visit Paris. On peut visiter Paris. We can visit Paris in taxi, en bus, in bus, en bateau mouche. So what is bateau mouche? Sightseeing boat. So there I given you the meaning. You can see bateau mouche. That means sightseeing boat. Okay. Ou en métro or in métro. Le métro parisien est très commode. So the Parisian metro is very convenient. Okay, it is very classic. Okay, très commode. So I hope you have understood this paragraph. Okay, so allons à Paris. Let us go to Paris. So this is the passage, a small passage about Paris, what we can visit there and what are the things that they are in Paris. Okay, so next one we have des monuments à Paris. So what are the monuments which are find out in Paris? Okay, so La Tour Eiffel. So what is La Tour Eiffel? Une immense tour d'Eiffel. So they gave you the definitions of each places. So I wrote in French. So I am going to read you in, translate you in English also. Okay. So what is La Tour Eiffel? Une immense tour d'Eiffel. So it's a huge tower, iron tower. Okay. Did you visit? Did you saw Eiffel Tower? Yes. Surely you can see the Eiffel Tower in the movies. Okay, so La Tour Eiffel. So it's what is that La Tour Eiffel? It's one of the 7 wonders, okay, of the world. So Notre Dame. Notre Dame, a beautiful cathedral. Notre Dame is a beautiful church. Cathedral means a big church. Okay, we are telling cathedral. L'Arc de Triomphe. L'Arc de Triomphe, un monument qui commémore les victoires de Napoléon. Un monument who commémore, it's the remembrance. Okay, so which we remember the victory of Napoleon. So we can see the pictures also in your book. So I am going to taught you some pictures. Here you have, turn the page to your book, page 58, you have the Eiffel Tower. Here you have L'Arc de Triomphe. Okay, so you can see if you are going into the pictures here clearly, you can see the images. Okay, so these are the victory of Napoleon, the things which has happened. Okay, you can see the small pictures. Okay, if you are going through this picture, you can see that is L'Arc de Triomphe. Okay, and you see La Cathédrale. So here you have La Cathédrale, a big church, Notre Dame. Okay, so Notre Dame is a La Cathédrale. Next one, Le Sacré-Cœur. So Le Sacré-Cœur, une église de pierre blanche sur Montmartre. So Le Sacré-Cœur, it's a big white church which is made by white stones. Okay, so you can see this church in the corner of your book. So you can see this big church is on the top of the hill. It's in Montmartre. So you can see it is situated here in the map of Paris. Okay, you can see Le Montmartre. Okay, so it's a big church, white stone church on the top of the hill. Okay, so next one, Le Louvre. So what is the Louvre? It's a great museum where we can find the paintings of Mona Lisa. Okay, so it's a great museum where we can find the paintings of the great Mona Lisa. Okay, so did you saw the paintings of Mona Lisa? So she's a woman. Okay, so if she has a position, so she can see from where we can see she is looking at you. Okay, so go to in your Google app and you can see the paintings of Mona Lisa. Okay, so find out this Louvre. It's a big, great museum where we can find the famous Mona Lisa. So next one, the Centre Pompidou. Le Centre Pompidou, un musée d'art moderne. So the Centre Pompidou, it's a modern art museum. Okay, and musée d'art moderne. So next one, le musée d'Orsay. So it is also a most elegant museum of Paris. Le plus élégant musée de Paris. Okay. Next one, La Défense, the center of economical. Okay. So La Défense, le nouveau centre d'affaires. So here we have the new center, work center. Okay. La Défense. So in this lesson you can see the pictures. Okay. So we have the garden. Okay, so the Centre Pompidou, the Louvre. So we have lots of pictures here. Okay, so refer this. And now we saw the monuments in Paris. So you are going to learn the definition of each monument of Paris. Okay, so learn this. Okay, so now we are going to go for the question and the answer. Before going to the question answer, so if you are turning the page 58, here you have the gardens also. So I forget to tell you the gardens and the gardens in Paris and the shops. Okay, so you have 3 shops. Les Galeries de Lafayette. Next one, Le Printemps et Le Bon Marché. These are shops in Paris. Next one, Les Jardins. So the beautiful garden in Paris. Les Jardins à Paris. So the gardens, le Jardin des Tuileries, le Jardin du Luxembourg, les Bois de Boulogne. So these are called the gardens in Paris. Okay, so now we are going to see the next page. Répondez. So what is répondez? Answer to the question. So here I have written the question. Quelle est la capitale de la France? So what is the capital of France? So we saw here la capitale, la ville, Paris est la ville lumière et la capitale de la France. So how will you write this sentence? So la capitale de la France. So, A, Paris. You should write the city name and the capital country names in capital letter. Okay. So, la capitale de la France est Paris. That's it. Okay. So, next question. Où est-elle située? So, where it is? Paris. Elle est située sur la Seine. Okay. It is situated. Elle est située sur la Seine. Okay? So next one. Combien d'arrondissements y a-t-il à Paris? So what is combien? Combien is how many? Okay, so we learn here in the passage. Il y a 20 arrondissements. So there are 20 administrative subdivisions. Okay, so arrondissement means administrative subdivisions. Okay, so il y a 20 arrondissements. comment à Paris. That's all. Okay, for this answer. So, comment peut-on visiter Paris? So, how we can visit Paris? So, how we can visit Paris? What we saw in the passage. So, on peut visiter Paris. So, you have to write the whole sentence. Okay. So, till métro. So, on peut visiter Paris en taxi, so etc. You can write the remaining in your classwork. Okay, so you have to write the whole thing. Okay, so this is the translation of this lesson, and we have the next part. We have lié. So lié, what is lié? Match. Okay, you can say lié or lié. Okay, so I am going to give you the definition of this column, like left side column, and then we are going to match to the right side column, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so the first one, Notre Dame. So what is Notre Dame? We saw here. Printemps. What is Printemps? We saw also it's a shop. Sacré-Cœur. Sacré-Cœur, it's a big church, I told you. Next one, le Centre Pompidou. So we are going to match. Next one, le Bois de Boulogne. Bois de Boulogne, it's a garden. Le Bois de Boulogne, it's a garden. So you are going to match to the A, B, C, D, E. So what is the meaning of the A, first one is the garden in Paris. B, it's a big church with white stone. It's a big cathedral, beautiful cathedral. D, it's a shop in Paris. E, it's a modern art museum. Okay, so you're going to match this to the given places, monuments that we learn. Okay, so this is over for this translation and for the question answer and the monuments in Paris. So you are going to learn this and you are going to do your given assignment. Learn this translation French to English and learn this monuments, the definition of these monuments and the question answers. Okay, merci.